welcome. It's Peter on the mic. So, approaching or when you want to learn something new, especially for us as Zimbabweans trying to learn Congolese music because we love Congolese music so much, we just don't get it. So whatever we play, it's not exactly that. I'm not dissing us, the way we play rumba. That's how we feel it. We can never feel music the same because that's their native music. We have our own sungura. So, as much as we love it, if we get someone to explain it to us the way we kind of want, it's kind of tough. But in this video, I'm gonna try to, just to break out how I, get this music, rumba music. Most of us here in Zim, we don't call it seven. We didn't know it was called seven. Actually, we don't know what is the seven, because I was surprised. One of my Congolese friend in SA, Eric Brut, shout out Eric Brut, yes sir. I was learning Lingala. We talked a lot about music, about life, all sorts. So then there was this point he told me about seven. He said seven is not the type of music, but it's that part where you dance. I was surprised. Another thing, when you're learning something new, it's always good to start with the basics, some simple things, just to get the flow of it. So in this video, I'm gonna play this kind of lead rhythm, so that it just kind of motivates us into learning more about rumba music, Congolese music. In the next video, I think I'm gonna be playing the rhythms. And also in that video, I'm gonna be doing harmonizing. It's called harmonizing. So we're gonna be harmonizing, and at the same time, I'm gonna be learning the Congolese rumba rhythm.